How many channels are present in the cockpit voice recorder CVR? A4, B2, C5, D3. The correct answer is 4. The VHF communications system works up to the maximum airband of A 106.975 kHz, B 136.975 kHz, C 106.975 MHz, D 136.975 MHz. The correct answer is 136.975 MHz. Radio altimeters are used up to A2 500 feet, B 3000 feet, C 250 feet, D 300 feet. The correct answer is 500 feet. What is the frequency range of VHF very high frequency? A 30 MHz to 300 MHz, B 30 Hz to 300 Hz, C 30 kHz to 300 kHz, D 30 MHz to 300 MHz. The correct answer is 30 MHz to 300 MHz. Which of the following is not a part of avionics systems? A flight recorder, B weather radars, C communication systems, D empennage. The correct answer is empennage. Autopilot was first invented by A. Lawrence Sperry, B. William Boeing, C. Nikola Tesla, D. Wright brothers. The correct answer is Lawrence Sperry. Onboard communications on an aircraft are done through public address systems and aircraft intercoms. A. False, B. True, C. D. The correct answer is true.